Delhi State Legal Services Authority is organizing a special Lok Adalat at all courts complexes in Delhi on 16th July 2023 for the disposal of traffic challans. If you have any pending compoundable traffic challans or notices, this is the perfect opportunity to get them cleared. The special Lok Adalat will provide a platform for individuals to settle their cases and avoid further legal complications. Let's understand how you can dispose of your challans. Firstly, go to the virtual courts. Now, select the department, Delhi Notice Department, fill out the details. Now, submit. And check if there is any challan on your vehicle. So, in this number, we can see that there are 4 challans. 3 for overspeeding and 1 for driving dangerously. So, the total fine is 4,000. Now, for waiving of the challans, DSLSA is organizing a special Lok Adalat. Now, go to the DSLSA website, click on the notice. Now it says that Delhi State Legal Services Authority will organize the next special Lok Adalat on 16th July for amicable settlement of the matters pending before the tribunals or quasi-judicial forums. It also says that for the huge pendency of traffic challans, this authority had decided to organize a special Lok Adalat for disposal of traffic challans in all district courts complexes. To download the traffic challans, you have to go to the website of DSLSA and Traffic Police website. So now, let's go to the Delhi Traffic Police website. Here you will get the link. You can book your appointment. This link will be generated from 12th July 2023 at 10 a.m. But make sure you log in prior to 10 a.m. as booking slots get filled up very quickly. Or you can go to the DSLSA website. Here the link will be available. You can book your appointment from here. Also, you can understand the procedure through this video they have uploaded here. Remember that maximum 6 challans can be waived off per vehicle. For your reference, we'll attach all the links in bio. Also, do you think you can get it done by yourself or you need legal assistance